In front of me is OPPO FIND N2 FLIP, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation on this OPPO. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for Auto Rotate icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue. That means that auto rotation is enabled, but you can always disable it by clicking on the same icon again. If you want to, you can go into settings instead, scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Now scroll all the way down and click on this switcher next to Auto Rotate feature to switch on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!